Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Edge 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. So once you have your content open and visible, as I do, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this pop-up right here. You can let go. As you can see, there's a couple options which just disappeared, and that's normal. It disappears after a moment of not doing anything with it. So I'm going to do that again, and we have edit, we have share, we have delete, and we have also scrollable. I'll go straight to the scrollable because, as you can see, it will allow you to capture a longer version of that screenshot. Now, there was a red square there to stop it from scrolling down, and it is probably one of the worst execution for scrollable screenshot, as you just seen, because going back to it, I'm gonna do that again. You get to tap on it and it will start scrolling in chunks, and then you have to stop it, right? And chances are you either overshot whatever you were trying to capture, or you didn't go far down enough for it to capture. So to combat this, what I would advise you to do is capture basically way more than you need to. And I'm going to do that once again, just to show you what I'm trying to demonstrate here. So overshoot whatever you're trying to capture. As you can see, it stops, then you can tap on it, and this will then allow you to edit it. So in here we can, I believe it's right here, yep, this button, and you get to shorten it. So if you overshot whatever you were trying to do, you can now crop it to a point that you want to keep it at, and then select save, allow, and you're done. Now, all the screenshots that I have captured can now be found in the Photos application, so I'm going to quickly find it. There we go. And as you can see, we have 5 different screenshots right here. So this is the cropped one, this is the non-cropped one. It still keeps the non-cropped one. So when I started the second, or actually the third scrollable screenshot, it went all the way down, and it stopped, and then I shortened it, right? And this is the short version of this screenshot. So it keeps both of them. Then we have the long one, the super long one, and a normal one, as you can see. So there we go. That is basically how you can capture normal screenshots and also scrollable one. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.